leading force in security shutters, grills and industrial doors. Years of experience, we offer individually designed, manufactured and installed shutters and doors to fit each customer's need. We guarantee the quality of all our shutters, doors and service. We also provide a comprehensive service whilst understanding the value of our customers' brand, property and the security needed. Every customer is different, and that's why, in the first instance, we'll undertake a comprehensive site survey and quotation, providing practical guidance and advice during the consultation process. For more information, please contact us